First, to create a restore point, go to the search bar and type create a restore point. Click on it. And then in the System Protection tab, select Configure. After that, you have to turn on the system protection in order for you to be able to create a restore point. Now, after that, click create, and you can type any name that you can remember. I'm going to type restore point 2, and create, and be patient, it will take a while. Alright, after that, select OK. After that, go to the Start menu, right click on it, and select Run. After that, you have to type rstrui.exe and then select OK. Alright, now there's a tab appears, Restore System Files and Settings. Just click Next. Now you're able to see which restore point that you have created. Now click on it and select Next. And after you click Finish, your computer will revert to its settings to the point where you created the restore point. Bear in mind that when you creating a restore point, your PC will automatically restart and it will take a while for it to revert to the original changes prior to where you create your restore point. And now your PC has reverted its settings prior to the restore point. That's all from me. Thank you.